Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Clenil inhaler. My name is Jignesh Sangani. I'm a pharmacist that specializes in both asthma and COPD. If you want to learn about asthma or COPD, I'd recommend you hit the subscribe button below. Give the inhaler a good shake. Then breathe out. Next, what you're going to do is put the inhaler in your mouth and form a tight seal with your lips around the mouthpiece. At the same time, make sure to put your chin up and make sure it's not pointing downwards, like this. Start breathing in, and as you breathe in, press your inhaler. You then want to take a slow and steady breath in and hold it for 10 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable, like this. Now, let's run through all of those steps together. Give the inhaler a good shake, breathe out. Did you know there's a way to get more from this inhaler? Well, before I talk about that, if you want to know how well your asthma is controlled, I recommend you check out the link in the description below. You'll find free resources to assess your asthma control and learn more about asthma. Now, if you'd like to know how a spacer can help you get more from this inhaler, check out this video over here.